And the economic recovery is gathering pace in India with record vaccination drive witnessed across sectors now. Though business came down last year, including that of ride-sharing platforms, economy is on a recovery path in India. How's ride-sharing business faring and how far has it recovered? To talk all that and much more today, we are joined by Uber President for India and South Asia, Prabhjeet Singh. Good morning to you, Mr. Singh. First of all, my first question to you, how has been the recovery in ride-hailing business so far?
So Uber is in the job of moving people from point A to point B. And as cities have opened up, as vaccination numbers have increased, we're beginning to see people step out and people step out with confidence. And Uber has seen business roaring back as that has happened. We continue to see recovery across cities, not just in metros, but also in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. We are seeing strong recovery in our low cost affordable solutions like Uber Auto and Uber Moto. We're also seeing a recovery, a very fast recovery in certain new products which we had launched and scaled during the pandemic. For example, Uber Intercity or Uber Rentals, which were able to take the same Uber for multiple use cases. And we continue to see healthy recovery across the board. I'm confident that over the next few months, we'll continue to see this trajectory continue.
And what is the longer term outlook on shared mobility space? What about the competition also?
If I look at the longer term view, Sumit, I think continue to believe that shared mobility is here to stay, continue to see that there will be a massive upside in growth as consumers have realized that as digitization has accelerated during the pandemic, even on mobility, there are more consumers which are embracing ride sharing in a much bigger way than before the pandemic. So long term, I continue to stay optimistic. I continue to be, however, cautious. I think we need to all still follow all the protocols. We need to make sure that we follow the guidelines from the public health authorities. But I am hoping that the worst is behind us.
And India's economic recovery has taken off on the back of vaccination drive. What is about your vaccination drive there?
One thing we also wanted to make sure was that we are able to support the driver community and incentivize them to get vaccinated. So we were the first ride-sharing player in the industry who announced a package of nearly 18.5 crores as incentives for drivers to get vaccinated. So all drivers had to do was go get vaccinated and share their certificate, and we would make sure that there is a special incentive for them. What that did was it overcame any initial hesitation drivers would have had. It also made sure that there was a word of mouth being spread, and it helped us make sure that we are able to do our bit in supporting and making the platform safer for everyone. Till date, more than 2.5 lakh drivers have shared their details of vaccination with us, and that number is steadily increasing.
Well, thanks, Mr. Singh, for sharing all these developments with us. Thank you once again. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.